Hello friends, in today's video we are going to study application of differential equation based on linear differential equation. The given question is an equation relating to the theory of stability of an airplane is dv by dt equal to g cos alpha minus kv, where v is the velocity, g and k being constant. Find an expression for the velocity where v equal to 0 at t equal to 0. The given equation dv by dt equal to g cos alpha minus kv. Now first we shift minus kv to the left side, so it becomes plus kv. And the equation is dv by dt plus kv equal to g cos alpha, and this is in the form of linear differential equation. The standard linear differential equation is dy by dx plus py equal to q, but instead of dy by dx in this question it is given that dv by dt, so we take the linear differential equation is dv by dt plus pv equal to q. If we compare these two equations, we get p equal to k and q equal to g cos alpha. Now we find integrating factor, that is if. Integrating factors formula is e raised to integration p dt. So e raised to integration, we put the value of p is k into dt. So integration of k is kt. So integrating factor is e raised to kt. Now its solution is v into if equal to q into if dt plus c. Here we put the value of if and q. V into value of if e raised to kt, value of q g cos alpha into if e raised to kt dt plus c. Left side v e raised to kt as it is. To solve this integration, g cos alpha is constant, so we put it as it is, g cos alpha. Integration of e raised to kt is e raised to kt upon k plus c. Now to calculate c, we use the initial condition at t equal to 0, v equal to 0. This is given in the question. If we put v equal to 0 and t equal to 0 in equation 1, left side if we put v equal to 0, 0 into a raised to kt, it becomes 0. Right side g cos alpha as it is. If we put value of t is 0, it becomes e raised to 0, and e raised to 0 is 1. So 1 upon k plus c. If we shift g cos alpha upon k to the left side, it becomes minus g cos alpha upon k equal to c. Now we put this value of c in equation 1. So the final equation is v e raised to kt equal to g cos alpha into e raised to kt upon k minus value of c is g cos alpha. Now we divide this equation by e raised to kt. First we divide left side by e raised to kt, g cos alpha e raised to kt upon e raised to kt minus g cos alpha upon k divided by e raised to kt. Here e raised to kt cancel, here also it is cancel. So v equal to g cos alpha upon k minus g cos alpha upon k. If we shift this e raised to kt into numerator, it becomes e raised to minus kt. Now g cos alpha upon k, g cos alpha upon k get common. In the remaining in the bracket is 1 minus e raised to minus kt. This is final expression for V. Second example, an electrical circuit satisfies the differential equation L di by dt plus Ri equal to E, where L, R and E are constant. At t equal to 0, I equal to 0, show that I equal to E by R into bracket 1 minus e raised to minus RT upon L. Now we have to solve this example. The given equation is L di by dt plus Ri equal to E. First, we have to convert this equation in the form of linear differential equation. So we have to divide this equation by L. So here L by L get cancelled, di by dt plus Ri divided by L equal to E by L. This is in the form of linear differential equation. Now we compare this equation with linear differential equation dy by dx plus py equal to q. Here instead of dy by dx, in this question it is given that di by dt. After comparing P equal to R by L and Q equal to E by L. Now first we find integrating factor. Integrating factor e raised to integration P dt. Here value of P is R by L. So integration of R by L is constant and integration of dt is t. So we get integrating factor is e raised to RT by L. Its solution is I into IF equal to integration Q into IF dt plus C. We put integrating factor and Q. I into integrating factor e raised to RT by L, Q E by L and integrating factor RT by L into dt plus C. Here E by L is constant and integration of e raised to RT by L is e raised to RT by L upon coefficient of t is R by L plus C. So I equal to e raised to RT by L plus equal to E by R. Here L get cancelled, so remaining part is E by R into e raised to RT by L plus C. Now we divide this whole equation by e raised to RT by L. Divide by e raised to RT by L. Here e raised to RT by L, e raised to RT by L cancel. Here also e raised to RT by L cancel plus C upon e raised to RT by L. Left side I equal to E by R plus C into e raised to minus RT by L. We shift this denominator into numerator, so e raised to RT by L becomes e raised to minus RT by L. Here we have to find C, so put t equal to 0 and I equal to 0. We get 0 equal to E by R plus C, because e raised to 0 means 1, so 1 into C is C. Therefore final answer C equal to minus E by R. We put this value in equation 1, so it becomes I equal to E by R minus E by R into e raised to minus RT by L. if we get E by R is common, then I equal to E by R bracket 1 minus e raised to minus RT by L bracket complete.